Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have permissions and teams open. Now add lists as a tab. Click the plus in the channel or chat header, select lists, and choose Create a List or from Excel. Once done, name the list, pick a template or start blank, and set who can edit. Make sure to choose the channel to attach the list so everyone sees it. This first step gets your structure and access right, which saves time when building columns and views next. Now focus on the middle work, shaping fields and views so the list matches your process. Add columns like choice, person, date, and number, set required fields and default values. Then create views, filter by status, group by owner, or switch to calendar for dates. Once set, apply conditional formatting to highlight priorities and use column settings to enforce data types. Make sure to test creating a sample item. Finish by sharing and automating. Add members to the channel, adjust list permissions, and pin the tab for quick access. Then create simple Power Automate flows or alerts to notify owners on changes. Once done, train one person to maintain columns and views. If something breaks, first check permissions and whether the tab points to the correct list, then clear browser cache or try the team's desktop app. If sync still fails, inspect list settings and Power Automate run history for errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.